Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify bundle apps with Zipify detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Shopify bundle apps using Zipify, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the apps section on the left sidebar. Search for Zipify and click to open the app. Once in Zipify, locate the bundles feature within the dashboard. Click on the bundles option to proceed. Review the existing bundles you have set up. Select the bundle you wish to update. Click on the Edit button for that specific bundle. You will see the bundle details, including the products currently included. Make any necessary changes to the product selection. To add new products, click on the Add Product button. Search for the products you want to include and select them. Adjust the quantity for each product as needed. If you want to remove any products, check the box next to them and click Remove. After adjusting the products, review the bundle price. Make sure to set a competitive price that reflects the new bundle configuration. Once all changes are made, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply your updates. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your bundle was successfully updated. You can now preview the updated bundle on your store. Check that all links and pricing reflect the changes you made. Finally, ensure that your customers will have a smooth experience purchasing the updated bundle. You are now ready to inform your audience about the new bundle offerings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.